Show me all your favorite songs, and I'll play them on the Bose. I'll learn them on my own guitar when the battery gets low. Singing about you and me, with a glass of wine and a whiskey neat. You sing offbeat, and baby, I don't mind, cause I feel complete. Let's freeze this moment in time, cause I'm not ready for you to leave, and I hope you don't mind. Will you stay here a little longer, right here by my side? I feel like I need you just a little more tonight. We got work in the morning, but I don't wanna say goodbye. Will you just stay here a little longer for one more song or for the night? Alright. See you through the memories of the songs that you're playing. Elvis when you fell in love, and Dolly for your heartbreaks. I'm thinking about you and me, with a big backyard while our kids run free. Your melodies, they hit me deep cause they all too sweet. Let's freeze this moment in time, cause I'm not ready for you to leave, and I hope you don't mind. Oh, will you stay here a little longer, right here by my side? I feel like I need you just a little more tonight. Forget work in the morning, I just don't wanna say goodbye. Will you just stay here a little longer for one more song before the night? Will you just stay here a little longer for one more song before the night? Come on. Oh, stay here, stay here, stay here a little longer. Stay here, stay here, stay here a little longer.
Yeah, guys.
Stay here a little longer.
I'm convinced that Canada has the best musicians going right now. Whether it be Drake, Justin Bieber, Carly Rae Jepsen, and of course, this new kid named Miles Elric. That's Miles Elric from Canada. What a good ass dude. I like his music. I just found him yesterday. And, you know, me and the Timmies were around. You know what, guys? You know what's even more crazy? My dad buys me this shirt. It says, I love Bali, right? Whatever. I love Bali. Okay. Because he was over there in Indonesia, and he was in Singapore, and he was traveling, doing his thing. And this shirt is see-through, bro. You can see my nips right through it, so I'm like not going out with this. This is not going to happen. But if you see them, they're they're extended. I am loving this market right here. This white box here on the screen, this is a 105-day box. We have 90 days left into this box, and we'll be trading within it. I've been telling you guys this for months, and it was like you saw the ramp walk into it, and then I told you this is our new playground, our new sandbox. So I hope you like it. I hope you guys like 3280, 3220, 33, and some change. Just depends on how you look at the market today. Now, we're up at all-time highs. Like, this is, when I say all-time highs, I'm talking about intra-year highs or whatever. This is the highest we've been this year, yesterday. But before we even talk about the markets, can we talk about my legs? Oh, shit. Okay, guys. For some of you guys who run around in the same circles as me, you guys know that I'm trying something new. I haven't eaten today. And I'm fasting. But I'm also doing this gut cleanse. And this is not good. I took a 15-day gut cleanse. It's viral on TikTok. You take 2 pills and you chill and you wait. And I'm just going to tell you right now, bros. I couldn't walk. I swear to you, I put this on my life. I could not walk. I had to go chase Tito. Tito got out. And my wife's like, hey, Tito's out. And I was like, oh, I'll go get him. And I walked and I go, oh, no, I won't. And she said, what's wrong? I said, baby, I can't walk. And I went and sat on the toilet, and I was just right there. Oh, this is gross, yes. But apparently it's cleaning out everything in my intestines. I don't know what these pills are doing to me, but hopefully they make my shirts fit on better, and I don't care. But I'm up and to the right. Just me. It's just TMI. Am I sharing too much? Yeah. You want these pills, Michael? I tell you, $15. $15, and they sent me 2 packages. And it was like, I got a Black Friday special. I've had them for months. I've just been chilling on them. Because the first ones they sent me were the wrong ones. I bought the same brand. So it looks like the same thing, but I bought the fake ones. You have to know how to spot the real ones. The bottle has to have black writing on it. It has to have the push open top. It has to come from the actual company. But no, the first ones I bought were from like China, and it didn't work out well. Did wifey get you a new shirt? No, I just said my dad did, bro. That's it. Tripina lime tea, it works. Nah, whiskey, I ain't trying nothing with these pills, bro. Both work super well for a bio reset. Oh, cool. You guys are asking me for pain, and I'll try my best. Anyway, yeah, so if you see me look flush, if you guys see me walk off the screen, just like, I'll be back. I'll be back. Like, way later. Oh, shit. Literally. All right. Back to the chart. Back to you. And plenty of information. A little bit of motivation. Whole lot of truth. No financial advice. Okay, so the new hours of the show. Just so that we're clear, guys. New hours of this show. The news I waited on. I prayed on it. It finally came through. So I'm very happy about that. But it puts me in a different time break. It puts me in a different time slot for you guys. And then moving forward, just so you understand my approach to this channel. I dedicate a lot of time to this channel, guys. I do. And to the, hitting the street and doing everything we can and giving the info. And not that I won't do that moving forward. I'm just going to do it in a different way. So, as of today, I'll be live streaming the morning. I couldn't do this morning, like right when I wanted to wake up and do things, because I still tend to the house. I still tend to the dogs and the children. My son was going to school. He looked fresh. Damn, son. My boy wearing his brand new shoes I bought him for Christmas. He looked so good, my boy. I go, can I take a picture of you, my man? He said, whatever, Dad. I'm like, damn, kid. Damn, kid looked good. And then, that makes me happy. And so, I get on like around 9 o'clock, like right now. Good for me. I go live for like 2 hours. Good for me. That's what you're going to be getting. 5 days a week, more than likely, as of now, Monday through Friday, from about 9 to 11, that range. The night shift is not going to go. I won't be live streaming the night. Got other things going on. So, just more regimented. I'm trying to do it that way. Not like a job per se, but just regimented. So, I'm happy. I'm happy with what's happening with me in my life, and how I'm going to go hiking tonight in the snow and the rain, because it looks like it's raining today. But if it's raining here, that means it's snowing in the mountains. So I'm excited. I want to talk to you guys about a couple things that we passed up on. Is this a stock video or about you? It's always about me. The channel's called Marantz Rantz. So Brian Turner, do me a favor. You're going to love, you know what you're going to love, Brian Turner? You're going to love the internet, because you get to go and, go through it and see all the channels you want, but you just won't be able to speak up in this one because you're gone. You're missing. And that's going to be too bad, because, I've been doing this for 4 years. Every day. We're going on our 4th year right now. That blows people away. But you need to put respect on what we do here in this channel and the information we pass around. And if you're ever curious, like how right we are, you should watch in silence, though, okay? Because we're 100% correct. 100% correct on every play, on every call out that we've ever had in our lifetime. Called AMC a pump and dump from day one. Called GameStop the greatest investment of your lifetime. And what has GameStop done? It's all the way up to $32 and some change right now on zero catalyst, zero news, zero info. You wait till it happens. You guys wait. Now, Bitcoin dropped down below 100,000. We saw that coming. Why? Because it's liquidity pump. And this market, when I put $300 billion loss, guess what, guys? $300 billion loss because NVIDIA, last night, we were all watching NVIDIA last night. I don't know if you guys watched it, but their CEO, Jason Hung, I don't even know how to say his name. I don't even care. He is debuting all these Blackwell chips, all this stuff, all the generative AI, and then telling you robo taxis are going to be like the $1 trillion industry, the first one. And he's telling you all this stuff, right? And you can pump me up all you want. But I saw a Blackwell chip, and I was like, this is what people are excited about? They get excited because the price, and then the price points, they were like, he claims they were $549 for one versus the other. It's a 5 series. So it's going to be, right now, if you guys don't know, whenever you get like a GeForce GPU, you're like right now I have a 30. Do I have a 30 or 40? I think I have a 3060, which is huge for me. I used to have a 1440. Now I have a 3060. And right now, 4070, 4090s are like $3,000. I don't even know, $2,000. So now Blackwell's in the 5. So it's going to be 540, 550, 560, 570, 580, whatever, 590. And he was showing you the price points, and they're comparable. Like, it's like you can get all that great, new technology, blah, blah. But it's like I tell you guys, technology is always changing. And then your price points are coming lower because there's competition elsewhere, like AMD, like Intel. So, and I don't know if Intel's going to be coming, making graphic GPUs, but certainly for the machines coming forward, like what he was saying last night, everybody wants to integrate some type of AI, artificial intelligence, into it. But what did it really do? I didn't see anything that was worth money. I watched the whole damn displays. Their graphics and their displays, whatever. It looks like video games from the PlayStation when I first played PlayStation. It wasn't anything amazing. But how much better can it get? 4K, 5K, 6K, 10K? None of that really matters. I'm telling you, once you get 1080p, what else do you want? You want 4K? Okay. You want to see the ball go across the screen? Great. Okay, awesome. You want liquid? Like you want it to be life? Go live it. But you're not going to pay for it. What are you paying for? I'm asking Apple. Apple announced that they're going to spend $80 billion on AI, and they only have $20 billion cash on hand. So what are we paying for? How's it happening? I don't know. I do know this. I know the administration is battling right now. If you guys are not familiar with the news that came out just, like 4 days ago about U.S. Steel. U.S. Steel is trying to get bought out by a Chinese company called Nippon Steel, whatever. And Biden blocked the trade. He said, no, it's not going to happen. We're not going to let them buy out U.S. Steel for national defense measures. And what people have to remember, like whenever the administration's weighing things, this is something I learned when I was in the military, is that United States is fully capable of running this country, without imports. I know that sounds like we're not because we import so much, but if we had to do like an embargo, if we had to just alienate ourselves from the rest of the world, we can be a self-sustaining country. That's the national security of it. We have enough barrels of oil to last 100 years without importing one barrel of oil elsewhere. Well, now you're looking at Steel, and they're trying to tell you that if we did that, then if we allowed these companies, U.S. Steel, to merge, that we would lose those capabilities of protecting ourselves. So Trump said he was going to deny it, and then, of course, Biden did it. So that was announced like 4 or 5 days ago. And the implications of mergers and tariffs are one thing. People are trying to price it in. And then you saw the headline come out yesterday. If you guys didn't see it, it was in the Washington Herald or somewhere. I don't forget where I was reading it at. Maybe the Washington Post, right? The one who's not really my friend. The Washington Post posted that Trump's only going to do specialized tariffs, like on necessities and criticals. Not that he was going to do it on every item. So that kind of takes away the idea that there's going to be this mass inflation on pricing, and then in turn interest rates would have to go up. So like they're trying to price in tariffs right now, and that's what you see on the market. So when those announcements come, that's why you see a change in equities. And the change in equities, just so that we speak in layman's terms, and I know I don't want to sometimes because I want you guys to learn all the vocabulary, but the change in equities, or the change in stock and the value of it, is going to come down. One, it's grossly overvalued. Two, it's the most expensive it's ever been. When we talked yesterday, and we were talking to Mark Faber. Mark Faber has over 50 years professionally in this industry, and he says, Marantz, when stocks become too expensive, those assets become too expensive, people have to turn elsewhere. Well, right now it's the bond market, and the bond market approached 4.6, almost 4.7 now, the yield that they're getting back. So you look at the 10-year and you want to compare it to the market itself. They should run side by side, but now there's a disparity. Now they're spreading apart. So you'll see bonds go up, maybe touch 4.8, 4.9, and it's going to put tremendous pressure on those traders that don't want to be overexposed. And they already feel like they are, guys. You want to know $300 billion? NVIDIA lost $300 billion this morning from the pre-market pump all the way to where it is today. You lost $13 a share, and there's 25 billion shares, 24 and a half. So you tell me, guys, how liquid is that? That's a whole company. I'm telling you, $300 billion, massive amount of money. And people just look at it like it's no big deal. Like the fluctuation of these waves are nothing. No, these are typhoons. This is what's happening daily. And then you look at a company like GameStop who's still ratcheting it up. So that's the way we deal with it. Oh, yeah, I don't fight with anybody anymore. Everybody's just gone. You're a light in the world of darkness. I appreciate you, bro. Thank you, Elaine. I appreciate that so much. But that's where I'm at with the 10-year. That's where I'm at with U.S. Steel. That's where I'm at with tariffs. I saw all those announcements. I saw the Royal Bank of Canada, and this is crazy, RBC. They did an upgrade on Carvana. They upgraded today. Guys, I've already had it up to here with, I've had it up to here with these people, with rating agencies and analysts pumping their stocks. And they can tell you anything. I see a 25% increase. This is what they wrote. They see a 25% increase coming for Carvana. It doesn't matter. You can show growth, guys. You can show profits. You can show all of that. If you're being, criminal, or if you're lying, the neglect for fiscal responsibilities, right? The fiduciary duty of doing the right thing when no one's watching. That's what you're supposed to do. It's legal. Well, guess what? They don't care. Everybody's cashing in on these recommendations from these analysts, and these analysts are paid to do it. People do not give you your analytical ideas or how they feel about a company like GameStop because there's no money in it for them. There's not. Short hedge funds are pushing one way, and for Canada push, I would tell you the leverage or the hedge to this market, companies like NVIDIA, companies like Carvana, I have a problem. I have a problem with the Royal Bank of Canada telling me that they're so great. Why is no one taking caution to the Hindenburg Research piece that tells you that one financial institution is processing all of these prime sub auto loans? And they're literally, you're looking at 8%, 10% on used cars with extended warranties packaged in. It's all priced in for profit. But this is not true profit, because who's defaulting on these car loans? I'm just letting you know people are defaulting, and you don't think they're defaulting? You know, people are asking for extensions and or not paying on time? Maybe you don't live in America. Maybe you don't live in this world that we live in today. But it's hard, guys. It's hard. People are calling their cell phone companies asking for extensions. They're calling the electric companies saying, can I get 2 more weeks? Paying the water bill, I'll pay it 6 months from now. Gas bill, bill me later. Taxes, go ahead and bill me out. Like, people are doing things to stay afloat. I know it. Hell, I'm doing things. You guys know this. I only bought $10 today. $10 today on GameStop, which is, by the way, $10 a day keeps the doctor away. Look at this damn stock for me. Over $30,000 in GameStop. I feel it's a big number. 30 grand is a big number for me. But to be there at 928, I'm on my way. Don't worry. I'll hit my benchmarks. I'll hit everywhere I need to hit. But I'm walking slow to the park, babe. I'm okay with it. I don't have what you guys have. I have bills, I have commitments, and I have responsibilities in front of me. But I like the website. I like what GameStop is doing right now, currently trading and selling 2,679 cards. They've shrunk that by about 800. Previously, they were at 3,400, 3,300 averaging. They took it all the way up to 4,300 at one point. But to have around 2,000 cards on inventory carried over, it tells us that the new cards that go up, people are buying them, and it's just churning. It's a churn, and I like it. I like the value for what's happening there at GameStop. So that's where I'm at on those things. I did see an upgrade on the stock. If you look over here, we'll go look at it really quick. It's American Airlines. We've talked about this, darling, for private equity. If you guys are not familiar, this is private equity pump. So if you guys think I'm crazy about analysts liking your stock, I want you to think about this on the daily. This hit down to $9 after earnings a while ago. Now, from August to now, it has gone up 100%. 100%. Private equity, pump and dump. 3 analysts have said this is a great company. Guys, I'm talking about travel. I'm talking about your transportation ETFs. And then we talk about a company that's up 100% like that. Like that. Just in a matter of a quarter, it's up 100%. No catalyst, nothing. Just other than you have some rating agencies start looking at it and go, you know what? Analysts say this is a buy. This is a buy. And it's $11 billion company now, and it's a buy. What? You want to remain NASDAQ compliant? You want to remain, S&P 500 compliant? I mean, is that what it is, eligible? Because that's what happens in the heat of a moment. But nothing's materially changed on this company. Nothing. I look at this $14 billion down to $13 billion. It lost $1 billion, yet this is a buy. This is a buy somehow, some way. Oh, that's right. It's Christmas, travel. Yes. Boeing is falling to pieces. So American Airlines. No. Carvana. They get an uptick here because of Royal Bank of Canada. From 175, they gave it a boom. It's good to go. Now everybody's back in it at 200. No. You can't confuse me. You can't trick me. But you guys can upset me. You guys do really well at that. But I'm okay. When I tell you I'm right, you're right, we're all right, we're up and to the right. Look at this. Perfect. Walking that blue line, guys. Looking healthy. And if it's ever faded like this and the white like this, it's only because I'm in a white box right now. So you guys know that I have that box. Let me go black out the box just so that we can enjoy the rest of the show whenever I look at the chart. I like the black. There you go. So from 133.30 today when it opened it back up, shot back down, V recovery. What does that tell you? That tells you it's just a push down, but you bounce right back out of it. Now we're averaging out again. We'll push up, and it'll go out throughout the rest of this afternoon. We should finish off around $33 and some change. What do I know? I only drew a line yesterday that hit it right on the money. If you guys don't think so, look at the line I drew yesterday, okay? I drew this gold line yesterday, and I signed off the chart. I said, oh, I'm done. I'm going to go home. The live stream's over. I ended the live stream before the market ended. And where did the market end? Right at the gold line. I just leave it there, okay? You guys figure it out. Maybe I'm crazy. Nah, I'm not crazy. Maybe I'm right. But hey, we're all right. It's all right. All right. GameStop moves in mysterious ways. Check this out. Let me go back over here. Let me go look at it on the 4-hour. I like the 4-hour. You know, somebody said the 2-hour looks healthy. Look at the 2-hour. Just walking it, babe. Walk that dog all the way up the line. I like it. How about the 4-hour? Did it cross over yet? Nope. We're still good. We're still holding. We're still holding on the 4-hour. Healthy. And then the weekly chart is the one that I really want in my life. I want the weekly chart to cross. I want that purple to get to that orange. When this purple line crosses that orange, it's good night now. See ya. It's deuces. It's everything. And I tell you, it's right here at the 105-day mark from when I first started tracking the box. So 90 days from now, which would be March 31st, April 1st, right then and there, quarter 4 comes in. Quarter 4 is going to be a magnificent number for all of us that are shopping at GameStop, even today, even this whole week, this whole month. This is your last month for quarter 4. You want to help out your company? I'll tell you how you do it. You want to help out your investment? I'll tell you how to do it. All you guys want to brag about how many shares you got? I tell you what, I've spent just as much money at the store that I have into the stock over the last 4 years. Now, I promise you that. Maybe more. But I'll keep doing it my way. You keep doing it your way. Don't worry. I'll still be here when you're gone. Everybody, I've been looking for these people that are chasing stocks because, you know, when they go chase NVIDIA because it ran up this morning, I can imagine the people that I've talked to lately go, oh my God, Nvidia's going. We got to get back in it. Look at this in pre-market. Oh my God, it's 153. The minute you go buy it, what happens? See ya. The best line ever in a movie. Best line ever in a movie. Was it New Jack City? Wesley Snipes? See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. When I heard that shit, I said, damn, that was good. Bro, he was just right. I'm sprinting plates too, man. Yeah, aren't we all? 618 gap filled, 40s and 50s anytime very soon. Jimmy, I'm with you. My biggest thought on how does NVIDIA survive when the round tripping begins to fail, will they acquire SMCI? You're a real one, Marantz. Thank you. Well, no. Will they acquire SMCI? I don't think SMCI is up for sale. SMCI is the one round tripping as well. Like, even worse. Worse than what NVIDIA is just doing. Like, if you dig into the thick of it, right? Like, you got to think NVIDIA is giving money to CoreWeave, and CoreWeave is giving money back to NVIDIA. NVIDIA is giving money to ARM. ARM's giving back money to NVIDIA. But CoreWeave, the other investment of NVIDIA, is giving money to Supermicro Computers. And Supermicro Computers is giving money back to NVIDIA. So they found a roundabout way to get it to you. These guys are not brainiacs. They're not, they think they're smart. But we've all done this. We've all done these tricks, man. I'm just telling you. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of the parents that want to win the raffle for their kids. We're going to win a trip to Washington, D.C. What do you got to do? I got to sell 5,000 buckets of cookie dough. What is it? Did you raise money? Yeah, we did a fundraiser. Oh, okay, cool. What'd you do? Bought them myself. What? You realize you could have bought a ticket to D.C. just to buy a ticket? You could have went yourself. You didn't have to win this and buy. Now you're sitting here full of cookies that you can't bake. Your shit's just going to go bankrupt. I mean, it's going to go, oh, God. I've seen people do some crazy shit for their kids. And now I see them doing it even for their kids now. Right now, if you look at Supermicro Computers, Supermicro Inc., Supermicro Computers is, well, they're a company that has their brothers at other companies, and their contracts go to their brothers. And then their brothers invest money back, and they're on the board of directors of each other's companies. It's related parties. It's a triangle. It's not The Rock. It's not Dynasty. It's not Jay-Z and Dame Dash. No, it's these fools over here making semiconductor chips and or the chassis to support them in, and NVIDIA's in doing business with them. And massive amounts of business, guys. So you guys do what you guys got to do. Reporting for my mandatory GameStop Anonymous meeting. I'm here, and I'm a GME. What are you? I don't even know what you are. So Citigroup is up. All the banking stocks are up. Makes me nervous when I see banking stocks going up. I know because there's some new leverage out there. There's these new, if you guys are not familiar, there's this enforcer. There's a guy who has the job of enforcing at the Fed bank regulations and or their book itself. Like they can be over leveraged. He lost his job. He left. So no one's policing the Fed right now and what they're willing to do. Remember, the Fed went out there and they're holding a tremendous amount of assets, just like the Treasury Department is. But if it's all U.S. bonds and you're just stacking them, I'm letting you know now, guys, these treasuries, these bills, right? I tell you, 2-year, 10-year, 30-year, whatever you're doing, you're eventually going to have to become liquid. You're going to have to sell off these assets. And the Fed has a book that they've been buying from to prop up this whole economy for the last 3 years, guys. I go to Jerome Powell and I ask him all the time, Jerome Powell, you want to talk? Jerome Powell, you want to explain yourself? There's no way they can. There's no way they can, guys. They're making decisions that no one else would do in your right mind. You have to, and if they keep taking directions from this Mary chick, I don't know Mary's last name, the girl from San Francisco Fed, first name's Mary, but there is no way that we don't take it on the chin. How do everybody expects just to walk out of here unscathed? Do you guys not know what I'm talking about right now? Okay, let me explain it. The Fed needs to raise rates, interest rates. They have accustomed Americans to thinking 5% is high interest. 5.5, 5. It's high. It's very high compared to 2008, right? 2008 to now. But 2007, 2006, hell, 2004, I bought a house at 7%. Real, from Bank of America. I'm not joking with you guys. Was it Wells Fargo or B of A? It was B of A. B of A. So those were the rates then, but we're just so used to this now. This is why you guys are numb to these movements. Everybody should be out of NVIDIA. Everybody on God's green earth should be running for the hills because NVIDIA dropped 5% today on market cap of $3.7 trillion all the way down to 3.4. They lost $300 billion. People should be running. But they think it's normal. It's normal for the number one company in the world to lose 5 to 10% of their market cap just because they woke up. Like, what the hell? You guys want to talk about risky assets? Expensive assets? Tech stocks are the most expensive they've ever been on ratio today. And you would say earnings to, you could even do sales to price, but it wouldn't even matter. Earnings, they're 4x, 3x more expensive today than they've ever been. But they make you think because they use media, they use little YouTubers and TikTokers and Reddit guys, and they push out this info to say this is the safest investment you can make. You can buy NVIDIA at $3.7 trillion market cap. Where the hell's it going to go? What, in 5 years from now, it's going to be worth $7 trillion? It's going to double in value? Because it did last year? How long do you want this charade to go? Matter of fact, I saw this report. I don't know if you guys saw it, but I saw a report that said everyone was guessing where the market's going. And they all come out with S&P market, right? And so if you guys don't know, Standard & Poor's 500 tell you that it's going to go up to around 7,000 points, 7,500 points. It's at 5,900 right now. All-time highs, guys. 6,000 point, all-time high. How in the hell does it go up? Do you guys know where it derives its value from? Earnings. So the average analyst predicts that the stock market's going to go up to 6,600 points from 6,000. Okay. So it's at 59 today, 58 today. What's the S&P at today? 59, 58, right there. So you think it's going up 12%? The whole market's going to go up 12% this year, according to analysts. Okay, I'll play with you. How does it go up, guys? It goes up based off of earnings. So you need to have all of these companies have a 3% increase on earnings. I'll sit here and wait with you. When they don't go up 3% every quarter like clockwork. No. Maybe one company's going to push. Maybe one company's going to push it all the way to the top and carry the whole market with it. Maybe one company is going to do mark-to-market accounting, and take the whole market to the top. Because you know what? That's what they do. That's what markets do. Look at this. This one company goes over the last, way down here. In 2019, it was at $3 a share, the equivalent. But we'll go to where you and I started talking, 2022. So in 2022, it's $10 a share. $10. And now it's all the way up to 150, 140. So 15x, 14x. It has gone up so much that people think it can keep going. No retraction. But it takes more than a country, or it takes more than a company. It takes a village. So the Russell 2000, in that same time frame, has gone from 160 to 244. Hasn't even gone up 100%. Not even 100%. Do you want to know how many companies they're hiding in this run right here? The drag of the whole market up with one company doing it. Everyone's invested into it. Look, if you don't think everyone's invested into it, look at the volume, guys. Look at this volume right here. This volume tells you the whole world is into it. Now, this is what it did for nothing. This whole time frame, nothing for years. For 3 years, nothing. Then the whole world got into this thing. And now the buying pressure is gone. Okay? That's why it's going down. Remember, don't pay attention to the stock. Pay attention to the volume. Pay attention down here. The pressure's going down. Okay? Price is going up. As it gets more expensive, people stop buying it. Now it's going to be a race to the bottom. It's going to be a race to the bottom. It's going to say, who can take the profits now? You guys think I'm joking? Watch this. GameStop. GameStop doesn't have any volume whatsoever. GameStop goes up in value, no volume whatsoever. There's nothing here. Nothing. When you see this getting pumped, then you know what's going on. But I've seen the market get pumped. Let's go look at the SPY. So as the market gets pumped, guys, and everyone's staying in it, it keeps going up. Everyone's just staying in it. The volume's finally falling down. You think this is going up an additional 12%? Where are you going to get it from? To give you an idea, guys, I tell you the market's crashing today, and it's down not even 1%. The market's down not even 1% today. That's how inflated your economy is. But what do I know? I'll tell you what it is. I'll tell you what really gets to me, what like rubs me the wrong way about this whole stock market that we live in. As I have GameStop up on the screen right now, 4 million shares traded back and forth today, $32.30. What a great number! But and $14.5 billion in market cap. Here's the part that gets me upset about market and why people don't pay attention. These are rate-sensitive securities. That's the problem. Dependent on the rating you get, then your volatility comes in. Ratings shouldn't dictate the value of your fundamentals. That's why GameStop's inferior. That's why I don't need analysts to cover it. I'll cover it for you. Hi, I'm Marantz Rantz. I know a lot about GameStop. So I'll let you know what's happening with this company. Believe me or not, it's okay. 4 years in, we got a track record. We got some value here. I'm up on my investment. I don't know. What were we up last year? 90%? 90. We beat out the S&P. Things are going in the right direction because the transition, the pivot is really happening and or has happened. And you'll see it quarter four, babe. Oh, babe, quarter four. Net income, gross profit, top line revenue, everything just might come in a little higher. Oh, but we're closing stores. I don't give a damn how many stores we close. Because eventually the buck stops. And you know, you do this thing called a button hook. You ever done a button hook? And the button hook used to be you go and then you whoop, turn right around. Put your hands up. The ball's coming. Hope you catch it. That's GameStop. And I'm the damn quarterback. And I'm throwing it right at you. You got to catch this one, guys. 32.26 is nothing. I'm telling you right now, 32.26 is nothing. I know we all have cost averages below it at the moment. Some people we're catching them. We're going to pick them up. It doesn't matter. This is nothing. Show me on this chart for GameStop, and I'll go to the 1 hour. I'll go to the daily. Show me on this chart where we have earnings. Where was earnings on this chart? Anybody know? Earnings. No catalyst on any earnings report that we've ever done. $1.79 billion last year. $1.79 billion. We made a profit, and the price came down. Came down to $9. So from the earnings day that it was announced, and we were sitting there at $12, $15, $14 a share. I believe it was 15 that day. Yeah, $15.63. So earnings comes out, boom. Next thing you know, we go down a miraculous 50%. How? How do we go down 30%, 40%? Okay. Then we bounce up out of here. And that's the mistake that the short hedge funds make. Right here. The short hedge funds make this mistake of trying to get fear into you, then excite you with the pumps. But you know what? What makes you, the guy that you are today or the girl you are today is that you don't get too excited. You guys are mellow. You guys are steady because you know a lot of things that they don't know. You know, well, I'll explain it to you. The options chain itself gets cooked, and there's some real catalysts out there. There's some super whales. And before you guys, and I have to stress this to you, I haven't even looked at the chat at all, but I got to tell you guys something. All of you guys. And thank you for the support of the channel, folks. I see you. For all you Timmies out there, all right, the Timmies. That's a funny thing. Don't worry. That's an inside joke for the channel. Guys, can you do me a favor? Or don't. I don't care. I do care, but I don't. You guys know about options and trying to spike the chain and trying to manipulate this outcome. A lot of people do. I don't. I don't buy any calls. I don't sell cash secured puts. I don't sell covered calls. I don't care to do it that way because the risk for me and the knowledge that it takes to actually live in that world, people don't put any weight onto what Roaring Kitty is. You know, Keith Gill is an experienced investor for decades before he ever bought GameStop. You know, he'd been trading for a decade at least, and he knows how to study this environment, and he's trained for it, and he's extremely qualified. But I tell you how great it is to have a whale like Keith Gill. Keith Gill has the ability to manipulate this whole investment for the greater good. You don't need to pile in on options. You don't need to supplement the trade that's happening. That man by himself will do God's work. You want to help? Buy some shares and hold them. But allow that man to cook. You know, it's like a bull. You're like, you know what? I want to put him on a chain or I want to hold him back. No. Let him run free. But you don't need to try to go along for the ride. Not for that 8-second ride. Just so you can feel good. Nope, let it go. You guys want to live? Sit in the stands and watch the show happen. Let him do his thing. He's qualified for it. Me, I'm going to buy some shares and I'm going to hold them. But I don't need to join in on anything. Not at all. He has enough leverage, enough weight. Let the whales do what they do. I know. You want to be a whale. I know. You put yourself in the same light. You're not Kobe. You're not Jordan. You can go play pickup basketball all you want. You're not them. I hope and pray people listen. I buy my shares and I hold them. Now, the next part that I want you guys to learn is I have a very different stance than the rest of the world on DRS. And I don't care if I lose viewers off of it. You guys know this. I've been speaking my mind for years on this. DRS in theory tells people to take their stock and their securities and put it into their own name at the DTCC, take them out of there, put them into computer share. It's in your name. I've had my shares DRS before, and it's out of the market. They cannot manipulate the stock any longer. Well, I'm sorry to tell you this, guys, but what does it do? It creates illiquidity. It becomes illiquid, and the market gets dry, and the volume is as low as it gets because people want to go and do that. If you want to see fireworks, if you want to see a MOAS, as you call it, you have to have liquid markets. You have to have leverage. You have to have, yes, these hedge funds leverage themselves. Marge is not calling because they're not leveraged. They're safe. They're safe when everything's locked up. Oh, they can swap it out and they can push off the risks elsewhere and they just wait it out like that. But you want to talk about price action? And I'm a firm believer in this. I've already looked at so much data and talked to the right people on this. That's why the markets are locked the way they are. But people try to talk to you and try to tell you what to do based off of memes of something else, or they try to interpret things. Guys, everyone out there that uses the term tinfoil, everyone out there tries to give you ideas of the way they read these lines on tweets and everything else, those guys are pushing out agendas given to them. They're not brainstorming the shit themselves. Like, I'm trying to tell you guys something. I've been living on the internet for 4 years. People are manipulating people for outcomes, and some of them just do it just to see a house burn down. They don't care. They don't care what happens to you. You think PP Seeds and who's this other guy? The uncle guy, the old man. What was his name? ABC and Michael. You think these guys care that all of these people lost all their money in Bed Bath & Beyond, all hoping and dreaming that they're going to get some type of resolution out of it? They're getting nothing. They don't care about you as a person. They couldn't name you 200 viewers of their channel. I'll name you 1,000. 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. But there's so many people manipulated just for an outcome that's not even going to happen. They lie to people every day, knowingly lie. There'll be like some tweet and they'll be like, see, wait for your attendees, guys. This means, that GameStop's going to merge with Bed Bath & Beyond and they're going to buy it and that's what's in the box. What? It's Christmas. Roy and Kitty posted a present to Twitter on Christmas. That's it. A present. And everyone's trying to break it down and saying what it is. And give it to me, baby, meme. Give it to me. Maybe he wants to buy some more GameStop. Maybe that's what he said. I just want to buy more. No, the ring says Unity. It's Unity software. Give it to me, baby. Baby is baby. Bed Bath & Beyond. It's gone. No. Like, it's really like this, guys. Manipulating people. And they do not care. Swordfish, you're welcome. I used to watch PPC. That's terrible, man. That's terrible. I live a different life than a lot of you guys. But then I also live the same life, right? I've never... Wow. What the hell happened there? What the hell happened here, guys? 700,000 volume. Out of nowhere. So look at all these volumes. 5,000, 5,000, 2,000, 700,000. In one candle. Holy shit. What just happened? Somebody liked it at 32. Wow. Oh, it's going to cross right now. Oh, that's vicious, guys. Somebody liked this, right? Look at this. Pay attention, Rockets. Let's go. Sorry, I had to stop my thought process. Trust me, I don't know. Regretting it every day. Yeah. Thank you. I'm back in Fidelity. I DRS before the split. I should have reserved that long time ago. Roy and Kitty is in DRS. I try to tell you. Try to tell guys. When I saw Superstock push out everything, I was like, stopped it. Purple circles everywhere. Say, oh God, get me out of here. I hate being told this is what, like when you're doing everything everyone's doing. No, like the media and social media, everybody's doing the same thing. Kick back, people. Chill. You want to be the outlier. You want to be the independent guy. I promise you. Because I'm going to ask you, how did it all go down? I want to tell you guys something. This is like really personal to me as I watch. We're going to see GameStop blow up or something's going to happen, guys. 700,000 in one tick. I don't know what the hell happened there. I like it, though. I'm on vacation. I'm on vacation this week, and I told my wife, I was like, hey, I took vacation, and I'm going to be home. And she says, whoa, 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 you took vacation. What about us? I was like, what do you mean? My wife just got 2 weeks off from work, because her office, they shut down for Christmas, but they still get paid. They still work, and I still get paid. I go to vacation. I still get paid. But my vacation is here in front of you. And the different part is for me is like when I go on vacation, I never really have a good vacation. I just want to be honest with you guys. I never have like the all-time best moment of my life. And it's because the people I'm on vacation with don't vacation like me. See, when I'm on vacation, I'm counting every dollar spent. And I'm saying, damn it, that's a GameStop share. Damn, that's a GameStop share. Oh, no. Cab ride. The Uber's how much? She goes, the Uber's only $28. It's so good. What? That's a GameStop share. Like, what are we doing? How much are the tickets to that show? $100 each. No. People are living different lives. So if you're on vacation with somebody who's I'll take a shot of this. I'll take some crab legs. And I'm right there like this. Can we go to Johnny Rockets again? They got it In and Out right up the street, babe. Like we do In and Out. When we were on vacation, my wife and I had Del Taco. Who eats Del Taco on vacation? But I just want you to know that that's where I'm at. You need a soulmate. Yes, you do. Love my GameStop. Each year, we'll just get so my point is, I'm on vacation this week, and I'm not spending any money. I'm not spending $1. You're gonna ride the gas as long as I can. I'm actually gonna go for a run down the street at some point this week. I got to figure out how I'm gonna go to the bathroom right now throughout the week, but I'll ride the bus, bros. I'm not using gas. I don't care if it takes me longer to get somewhere. I'm just gonna be me. All you guys driving down to the gym, that's not me. Oh, it's going to cross, baby. Here we go, guys. Here we go. There it is. Let's go. Oh, man, if you guys can call it, you can call it. Put that money in my wallet. Man, I told you. Oh, my God, guys. You're getting better at this shit, Marantz. 32.60. Let's go. Just keep going. Your new morning hours are awesome for me because I'm in coastal Georgia. Massey, good job, man. Let's go. I used to know a girl named Massey when I was in the Army. Her last name was Massey. She's the best singer in the whole crew. Well, Faith Barnes was the best singer, but then you had Massey. Massey got up there and started singing. We're like, yo, she's good too. Massey was mean, bro. Female running 12-something 2 miles, maybe 13-minute 2 miles. Just running, bro. And every ruck, just making it. But thank you. It says here, love my GameStop. Each year it will just keep going up. Time, pressure, patience. Yeah, I like that. I'm just going to keep buying it so it doesn't matter. They all said DRS was the only way. Total bullshit. Thank you, Sugar Cane. I split my position between DRS and ISA and IBKR for options. DRS is my broker failure insurance policy. Sure, I think DFV is going to DRS at least something at some point. Mr. Christie, I don't think so at all. Guy's been there for 5-6 years. The guy's already worth $1 billion. What more do you want? What is it that he's not getting from his current brokerage? His brokerage is probably sending him credit cards and credit lines that he can probably live off of the rest of his life. The interest he's generating from that account? Are you kidding? Change brokers or put something else away? You're completely wrong. You're thinking on the world of fear. Stop thinking about fear. You're the commodity. You're the asset. People want your shares. Put value on it. Stop trying to spread it around and I'm going to be in case. It's the weakest mindset. The weakest mindset. You couldn't tell me. I'm telling you right now, I can't go somewhere and be like, hey man, this is all you're worth. This is all you're going to get. This is what I'll be like, I know what I'm worth. I know what I'm worth because when crisis happens, I jump into action. I know what I'm worth because I've been trained for all these years and all this experience I have. I know what I'm worth. Well, you think because you have a piece of paper and you're some college grad, you think I want to wipe your nose? No, I know what I'm worth. Do you know what you're worth? The best part I love about my wife. My wife gets a new job. My wife goes, hey, babe, did you know if I go get this other one, they pay me more? I said, what? Every time. 5 jobs in the last 5 years. Hold on, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe even 7 in the last 7 years. And let me tell you, you got to know what you're worth. Lil Mama's got 25 years in real estate. It was like one of those things. You might look the part. You might be the part. Keep doing what you do. I know you don't, and this is what I felt about Twitter 3 years ago. Oh, we fell out 3 years ago on Twitter, made my old account. I don't care. I don't care one bit about Twitter or falling out with people. Not one bit. You guys got to figure it out. Get some thick skin. I've been told a lot of things when I was growing up. And we're trying to make it. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful uptrend right now. They said, yep, somebody likes it at 7. We might as well all buy it. Somebody knows something. Somebody called somebody. You asked me to call somebody. Think about it. They're buying it at $32 a share. No problem. No problem. NVIDIA, 142. Trash. Guys, big alert right now on AMC. AMC is up 1 cent. SPY, 591. I like this one. I like the S&P 500 value stocks. Okay, the value ETF up to 191.67. Look at that. Bounced. Boom, boom, bounced twice. Now we probably get out of the zone. We'll figure it out. I'm paying attention. I like Nike at 73. I like it even better at 72. Bros, I like Nike way down here. Nike way down here. Nike brand, Nike company, $100 billion. That's all it's worth? No way. No way. On God's green earth, as long as I'm alive, I think that's a great price on Nike. I do. Because, you see, this is the problem that I have with people not understanding values. Nike, okay, the brand, was at 171 in 2021. That's the peak of the market. 2021, January 2022, peak of the market. Everything sell off after that. Now, the sell-off was massive all the way down. You saw it. Then it bounced back, gave it a little bit of life, but then it's sold off again because of earnings. Now, there's certain companies that have reset, that have had corrections. This is one of them. My opinion. I can be wrong. But we all know what my percentage is on being right and wrong. Guys, that's me being humble right now. I'm out in this bitch like Kendrick Lamar. I swear to you, I'm humble. I'm humble enough to tell you. Hey, Big Lots, what happened? What happened? Did Marantz come over here and put the hex on you? Oh, man. Carvana, what's going on, babe? What's going on? We about to experience the real? That's the weekly. I like the daily. I even like the hourly chart on Carvana. Look at this. I'm awaiting for some explanations. Bro, I was right there just losing my breath. Look at that. Look at it go. Look at it go, baby. I'm sorry. I get excited. My bad. How are you? Just want to say hello. Yes, say hello. Already big in GameStop. No worries. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Aren't we all? Could GME push the S&P 500 up 7,000 if it gets it in and that stock squeezes? Maverick. No. There's your answer. The number 7,000 is so outrageous. It's outrageous. I'll explain it. But I want to show it to you first. Okay, SPX. Okay. SPX is the SPY itself. And we're going to go to the weekly chart. And I want to show you 2022 when the whole world sold off. Okay, this is an official recession, but the Fed didn't want to announce it based off of one indicator, which would be 20% loss in the S&P would give you that indication. The other part would be employment and inflation. So they didn't want to announce it, but you saw this is the peak right here at 4,800 points. Okay, 4,800 points in 2022. Sold off all the way down to 34 and some change, 35. Now from 35, listen clearly, all the way to 61. You're talking about a 100% increase to get to 7,000. When we're talking from this low point here, okay, all the way to 7,000, somewhere up here, you think it's going to go straight to the sky, or are we going to have one of these retractions, corrections from previous? I've seen things run, guys, all the way from the bottom to the top. But to do it again and again and again, it's got to stop somewhere. You can't just say a number. But NVIDIA lost $300 billion today. Let GameStop have that $300 billion. What's GameStop share per price? $1,000 a share. $800 a share. I'm telling you the math. Just give me the $300 billion you took from NVIDIA, give it to GameStop. It's $300 billion. That's a squeeze, right? We just came from $30 a share all the way to $800 a share. The whole world's going crazy. Options chains clicking. Everybody's buying. Everybody's like, yo, woo. Everybody's a millionaire in this room. That's how much money is being thrown around on NVIDIA. That it could make everybody in this room a millionaire 10 times over. And the media would go crazy for GameStop. Why are we not going crazy at NVIDIA at 140? From 153 this morning to 140 tonight. You guys are accustomed to the number. You're victim to what they want you to think. They want you to think that GameStop, by it going all the way up to 120, was going to ruin the world and the economy. They want you to think that $30 billion of market cap was the problem. GameStop is not the problem. They lied. They lied to stop the bleeding for private equity hedge funds. They lied because some people were going to get, margin called. Who cares? Who cares if 10 to 15 hedge funds were going to be upside down? Who cares? Who cares if a couple of billionaires were going to lose a couple of billions? And a couple of people were going to make millions. They don't want to lose one trade. They don't want to lose one thing. And they've ensured their victory by pumping NVIDIA to the moon and back. NVIDIA could be the number one company in the world making Blackwell chips, doing everything they're doing, and all they have to do is be worth $1 trillion. That's it, $1 trillion. But instead, they hide it. They disguise it. NVIDIA splits 20-1. Everybody knows what's going on. Everybody's looking at these stocks and for lower price points per share. Google, NVIDIA, Tesla. It's all about psychological differences here. You guys don't believe it? Watch it. GameStop can go to $800 a share, and it's nothing. It's a walk in the park for what NVIDIA just lost this morning. These markets have more money than you could ever fathom. And they want you to believe that there's this risk that's going to cripple the world. No, it's going to cripple their ego. And they already lost. They already lost. That's why Ryan holds on to his shares. That's why Ryan's sitting here worth billions of dollars. Doesn't care. What's another billion? After you have one, what's another one? King Griffin could lose all the money on this market all he wants, and guess what happens to King Griffin? Nothing. Nothing at all. The guy has $1 billion in the bank. He's liquid. Chicago Exchange Beacon has been lit. Well, let's go. GME at 32.50 from Chicago. I like that. It's going to keep going. Bro, green candle everywhere. Now see options explode. Marantz is right. Let them cook. Well, yeah, it's going to happen. Thanks. That puts things into perspective. It has to, guys. You guys have to understand how big these markets are. They're bigger than one person. Like, I hate that. This is the thing I hate the most because I learned so much by studying private equity that when they tell you, hey, this firm has $1 trillion under assets under management. This firm has 12 trillion. BlackRock, Blackstone, Apollo, Carlyle. All the ones they want to show you. And the biggest part that I have about all this info is this. Okay, they want to show you a person like King Griffin, Steve Cohen, and they go, oh, this person lost this money. And you're like, okay. Damn. Bernie Madoff lost investors $50 billion. That's a scandal. The company Enron lost $50 billion. That's a scandal. No. The U.S. economy printed $6 trillion for pandemic. Printed $6 trillion. Somebody has to pay for that. I give you it better. I'll do it a whole different way, Canada. Every employee is in a pension plan. Just like here in America, pension plans beyond those endowments. You know how much money is in retirement funds? Social Security dollars? We're talking about the actual deficit itself. $38 trillion. Like, guys, I'm trying to show you how massive these balloons are. And these institutions, you guys want to talk about Saudi money? Okay, Saudi money's infinite. They've got liquid gold. They can make more money just by tomorrow. Boom, let's make 1 million barrels, and there we go. I got gold. And there's always a consumer for it. So they have money. And all the richest people in the world, the richest people, this is not one person that you're going up against when you say these dollars versus dollars or risk versus not. The market itself is not there's a whale there. You think people give a shit? Roaring Kitty has $500 million at GameStop. Oh, wow. Whoa, that's a lot of money. No, it's not. These dudes walk around and go, we'll give CoreWeave $7.5 billion just because. Just because. We want to pump that. NVIDIA's worth $3.7 trillion yesterday. Hell, this morning. No. These groups that invest will lose on their investments. But for people to put a number on GameStop and say, this is massive, this is, MOAS, this is mother of all short squeezes. Where did you guys ever hear that phrase from? Watch this. This is why. This is why we're the greatest. Okay. Where did you hear the phrase mother of all short squeezes? Any of you? Well, the first time you ever heard it? You know the first time I ever heard it, guys?
Dollar was making any money, and then
2007.
Kill the golden goose.
Watch this.
The traders weren't fired or
Watch this.
Instead, Enron sent a telex to Bourget.
I'm going to find it.
Please keep making us millions. Instead of reducing Enron's risk, Lay encouraged his traders to gamble more.
Yeah, we know.
But then their
Hold on.
Skilling saw the opportunity to build an industry new and
the ability for a 25-year-old to go
When I find it,
be reviewed and to be superior.
It's going to rock your world. Who said it?
Get a $5 million bonus. I don't think that's repeated in many places in corporate America.
Our culture is a tough culture. It is a very...
Look, it's in this video, and here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this. I'm going to lower it down so you don't have to hear it, okay? I'm going to let you watch this. When I find it, it's going to rock your world. Who said it? Okay? It's going to rock your world. Who said mother of all short squeezes? For the very first time I had ever heard it before. Watch. Watch when it happens. I'm going to play this at like 3.0 because I know who said it. But I want to show it to you so you guys don't think I'm just crazy. It's playing. I'm not worried about it. We're good. We'll get to it. Oh, there's another green candle. Oh, bro, this is going to rock you, bro. You said probably Reddit whiskey? Reddit didn't exist. Reddit didn't exist when this movie came out called Enron, the smartest man in the room. Go ahead and watch it. It's on YouTube. Yeah. Yeah. Wait till you see it. The Volkswagen squeeze didn't happen until 2009. We're talking about a movie made in 2007, interview done in 2006, 2005. You wait till I show you. Because he's still around. And he still just did an interview that I highlighted the other day. I'm looking for it right now. I'm letting it play, but I'm looking for it. Because when I hear it, because I remember I was watching this, and I go, are you kidding right now? Did I just hear that? It blew my mind. Don't worry. I get it. If you guys don't know, a girl is the one who blew up the Enron scandal. It was a female reporter. There we go. Is that him? Oh, man. He's not showing up. I don't know where he's at. I'm going to have to watch this whole damn thing. I don't mind doing it. All right, let that play. When I hear it, I'll hear it. All right. Huge candles, 33. George Bush was not George Bush. My Matt Kors fanny pack says Moas. There you go. 33 here, we come. Crazy how Enron is coming back. Like, why would we trust you? True. I watched that 2 weeks ago and didn't pick up on that. Mr. Christie, it's because you don't listen. You don't listen. That's been proven over the last 4 years. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid of these short sellers. There we go, baby. Let's go. Marantz, you were right. You were right, Marantz. You called the pivot right on the stock. You should be a day trader, Marantz. You should get in there and buy options and run it like that, man. You would be making so much money right now. You'd put $2,000 right there at the bottom, and then it would have went, oh, man, you would have bought 20 contracts, and you would have went out there, and you would have sold, and you could have sold now and take profits. And shut up. Just because I know? Nah. You guys pay $500 for indicators? You guys pay $500 for some guy to tell you when to get in and out of stocks. Are you kidding right now? Shit's easy. And it's free. Piggly Wiggly, short squeeze, store supermarkets, long time ago, smart owners. Jimmy. Piggly Wiggly, I actually shopped there when I lived in Savannah. What are you going to say when you're wrong, Marantz? Nothing. I'm going to wait. I'm going to hold my breath. I'd be dead by now. David Blaine ain't got shit on me. Watch this. Watch it. It's coming up, bros. I know. Hey, this video is playing at 2x. We're already 11 minutes in. Don't worry. It's only 2 hours long. We're almost done. I've waited 4 years for a stock to do nothing. I love it. It's a whole deal, guys. I want you to know why it happens. It's change, right? Why the CEOs, why Ryan Cohen is the truth, because he brings change with him. Change equals opportunities. That's what CEO stands for. Change equals opportunities. When you think like that, it's been said. I didn't make that up. It's been said. People don't like change. People fear change. People want explanations before they change the way they do things. But when you believe and you're open to it, you just never know. There we go. We're almost there to the part I want to show you guys. I'm letting it play, though. Don't worry about it. They're doing fine, these markets. You know, guys, at some point, they're going to stop comparing our stock. That's the biggest problem. Biggest problem right now in markets and in value is, look, we're hitting $33 and they don't want us to hit it. We're going to hit it. They want to compare us to things. As long as they stop comparing us and they stop, measuring, we're going to be okay. Then we'll just be sitting out there on our own. I'd love to. Look at the 5-minute chart right here. Keep going. We're almost there, guys. The mother of all short squeezes. The first time I ever heard it. We're 16 minutes in. I'm telling you, it's flying. All right. Don't worry, I'm trying to get there. Dumb Money Part 2. That'll be you. Boom. That's all I can say. Boom. 32.95. Here, let's go ahead and put it on the ones. Put it on the 1 second. 1 second, it doesn't have enough volume for 1 second. How about 5 seconds? Doesn't have enough volume for 5 seconds. How about 15 seconds? We'll do 15 seconds. How about that? Ooh. Okay, I just saw. There it is.
I'm not a data reporter, so I would have had no reason to look at Enron. But Jim Chanos mentioned to me that I should take a closer look at Enron's financial statements, and it wasn't clear from Enron's financial statements that there was fraud here. But what was clear is that something didn't add up.
In March 2001, Bethany McLean reported with Fortune magazine, first raised questions about Enron's financial condition. She asked a simple question in the article that no one could seem to answer. How exactly does Enron make its money? I very specifically remember the telephone conversation I had with the Fortune reporter. She called up and started asking some very, very specific questions about accounting treatment of things I not account for. I could not answer. The analysts weren't analyzing at all. They were looking at virtually anything Enron told them.
CFO Andy Festow had his eye on John Olson, one of the only analysts skeptical of the Enron story.
Enron loved analysts strong by recommendation. Enron was formed by Fastow here, you, as somebody who was on board with us and has a strong by recommendation and loves us. Same time, or we were doing business with him. I knew that my days were numbered.
Merrill Lynch fired Johnson. Soon after, Fastow awarded the bank with 2 investment banking jobs worth $50 million.
Don't mind me. I gotta go. I'll be right back, guys. I gotta go get my food. I don't have to go to the bathroom. I just gotta get my food. I have to eat something. Don't worry. I'll be right back. If you guys want, I'll play the volume right here for you. What is this? What is this?
By acting fast, McElroy bluffed the market and managed to save the company. After Valhalla, Ken Lay maintained that he had been shocked that the traders had gambled so recklessly. But Ken Lay had known all along about the risks that were taken. He had seen the reports warning him about the traders' behavior.
Since the fall of Enron, Ken Lay has said he can't be responsible for things he didn't know about. Sounds like what he said about Valhalla. Do you believe that he didn't know?
I can answer only for one. I can answer for Valhalla because Ken Lay did in fact know about this thing because I had told him myself.
The auditors adamantly told Mr. Ken Lay that the 2 rogue traders should be fired. Lay read the report and he read his budget and estimated how much the 2 rogue executives made, and if they were fired, what he could lose. My conclusion was that this guy is a guy who puts earnings before scruples rather than reacting to the dishonesty right in front of him.
Mastroeni received a suspended sentence. Bourget was convicted of fraud and spent 1 year in jail. With his biggest moneymaker now behind bars, Ken Lay had a problem. Who could he find to make money for Enron?
Every year, every day, every week, you have to come up with new ideas.
Did they say it at all while I was there? I need to know. They didn't say it? No?
Ken Lay saw in Jeff Stilling, the guy
Okay.
who had the answer to what the future of the net.
Cool. So they didn't say it. Okay.
He liked other people he thought of as visionaries. He liked people with big ideas, and Jeff Stilling was a person with the biggest ideas of all.
Jeff Skilling's biggest single idea was to find a new way to deliver energy, rather than be bound by the physical flow. Hold on. Enron had become a kind of stock market for natural gas. It was a magical new idea.
It's okay, guys. Up and to the right. The original January 28, 2021 MOAS was full of wolf money. Full wolf moon MOAS is next week. Oh, okay. The wolf man, he says. All right, hold on.
Same the opportunity to build an industry new and start a business from scratch. But he had one specific condition that had been met before he joined Enron, and it was that he'd be allowed to use a certain type of time known as mark-to-market. Arthur Anderson signed off and the SEC approved it. I remember walking in there, what's going on, and Cozy and everybody, and everyone was so excited, and champagne, you've got mark-to-market contract. And Arthur made what I memory was about one.
Waiting for my microwave to go off. I have a half bowl of potatoes.
Mark-to-market accounting allowed Enron to book potential future profits on very day deals. No matter how little cash actually came in the door, to the outside world, Enron's profits could be what they were Enron said they were.
Very suggestive. And very, it left it open to manipulation.
And they were saying that we're going to sell power out of this power plant in 10 years.
Trump says he's going to make Canada the 51st state. 51!
Origination. We did 20 million last year, I think we did $120 million this year. Trading. We did 10 million last year, we think we can do 64 this year. This is the key. We're going to move from mark-to-market accounting to something I call HFV, hypothetical future value accounting. If we do that, we can add $1 gazillion to the bottom line.
A gazillion.
Oh, right, that sounds fantastic. Oh, Jeff, thank you. That's just superb.
Okay, I think my food's ready.
Probably president of the company one day. I think he really believes that the idea was everything. And when he came up with the idea, he should be able to get profits from that idea right away. Because otherwise, some lesser man is taking profits from the idea that some greater man had come up with in the past.
When Jeff Skilling applied to Harvard Business School, the professor asked him if he was smart. He replied, I'm fucking smart. One of his favorite books was The Selfish Gene, about the ways human nature is steered by greed and competition in the service of passing on our genes. At Enron, Skilling wanted to set free the basic instincts of survival of the fittest.
Jeff had a very Darwinian view of how the world worked. He was famous for saying once in Enron's early years that money was the only thing that motivated people.
Skilling's notion of how the world should work really trickled down
All right, guys, I'm back. Sorry. The I'm adamant on hearing this verbiage. Don't worry about me. This is the way my mind works sometimes. Oh man, this is it's a half a bowl of potatoes. It's my life right now. All right, sorry. I'm halfway here, halfway not. Get the astrology charts out. Mm-hmm. Yes, because I can. They all work together. Hmm. I'm trying to listen. Hey, Bings. Bings. All right. Dynamite. Oh, on your lunch break, Dynamite? Me too. So, Dynamite, I'm listening for something right now on another screen. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for this video to come to life. So there was a video that I was watching. I watched this movie for the second time in my life. I already had watched it before, but I didn't understand it the way I do now. So I've watched the Enron movie, The Smartest Man in the Room. I watched it a while back. I thought I watched it like on HBO when I was younger. But now when you watch it, oh man, you understand so much. I'm just happy that I'm not playing the video because it has nudity. Wow. Okay. Forgot about that part. Thank God I didn't show the video. Hmm. Still waiting to hear the part I want to hear. I'm at the part. I'm 30 minutes in. Still have an hour and a half. Here's GameStop though, 32.65, retracting down from 33.04. Only 5 million shares traded back and forth. That one big candle, that was it. So when do you think they sell off that candle? Those are forever shares right there. Mm. I had to wait till 10:30 to eat, which is perfect for me. Mm. I'll eat right now and I won't eat till way later. That's it for me. Oh, here we go. if you have the ability to buy into a company that you work for, I think you should. But make sure the company's legit. Wow. That was amazing, this potato bowl. It's amazing. That's it for me. Back in the day, I would eat a whole potato bowl. Now I eat half. So. Yes, because I can. It's a little different. I'm reading, bros. I'm reading. I'm waiting for this clip so I can show it to you. But if not, oh well. I hope I find it. I know I heard it. I know I didn't make it up in my head. Look at that. Just boom, boom, boom. Hold it up. Good all the way through. We'll end up today like around $33 today? $33.10? Maybe not that high. Hit the bottom. Oh, way down there. Right there. So 32.95, 32.97, and whatever it wants to end up at, I'm gonna be happy. $34.89 today. That's a good number. $32.89. I'm sorry. My cat's going crazy out there. I don't know what he's mad about. Okay. Man, that was good food, dude. Man, I eat good. It sucks. This is why. That's why it's hard to lose weight, man. I'm gonna put my trash bags on this afternoon. Get up in those mountains. Hopefully. I don't know if I can do the mountains anytime soon. I'm actually dizzy right now, and it's from once I'm in the yeah, I gotta wait till these pills all kick in. I'm taking these pills, and I can feel it. I can feel that like I'm lethargic. I'm loopy. Yeah, it doesn't feel good at all. Anyway, you said $34.89? Holy shit, man! It's a big number. We're operating off of small margins here. Don't get blown away by strong winds in South Carolina later today. In South California, maybe. You guys got to know the smallest margins in the world is what we're dealing with, and I'm not talking about earnings, and I'm not talking about us in here. I'm talking about Congress. Trump is going to operate with the smallest margins ever for for a percentage of what he thinks he owns. Like, if like one Republican goes against him, he's swaying the other way. I think that it's the smallest margin ever. So in the last 100 years, basically. Oh, it's gonna be tough, bros. My legs are weak. I don't know if these pills are supposed to make your legs weak, but it's to the point where I can't walk. I swear to you, something's going on in my body. It's cool. The fraud. You know, I always think about that guy who was on The Big Short. What are the chances? 0. Look at that. Got lightheaded again right there. Just boom. Just looking down. Oh, these pills are not good for you guys. Is there like a warning on them? Something going on? This is not good. I don't know if it's actually coming out of me, but I I'm gonna I don't know if I'm gonna docu it. I haven't even checked my weight. I gotta put batteries in my scale. I'll do that. Don't worry about the chart, guys. I had more info for you, but I got stuck on this in my brain, and I don't even want to talk anymore. I don't want to do the show. Like, I want to stop the show right now, just because I want to find this piece. How do we ever get to this? Huh. Happened. Well deserved. Well deserved. Well, there you go. 5 free memberships for you guys. Abe being a king again. Man, do you think anyone will go against him? Against who? BB, don't worry about what I'm talking about, bro. Go rewind the show. Rewind it all the way. Oh. Oh. Ah! I'm falling to pieces here, guys. Okay. Oh. All right, guys. Here's the pills. Okay. These are the pills. This is a 15-day gut cleanse. Make sure the pills say this company, Mila Micamore. There's 30 capsules, 15-day gut cleanse. Take 2 at a time. This is my second bottle. I have a second bottle. And it's making me very weak. Physically weak. Oh. Oh. But it's cool. I keep watching the chart, guys. I'm listening to something right now. Sorry. Oh. Mm. Oh. Mm. Oof. Oof. I'm trying to breathe, bro. Those will flush you. Yeah, I know. And take a nap. It's not taking a nap, bro. I don't know, Jay. He's been MIA. I think he doesn't have internet. Yeah. Oh, hold on. Hold on. So let me sit here. Oh. You guys remember when I did that McDonald's eating challenge? And I ate... Did I eat 8 of them or 7 of them? I ate 8 of them. 8 sausage, egg, and cheese McMuffins in 30 minutes. That's real content right there. That's the content the internet needs. Oh. I did it. Yeah, I don't know what they are, Colin. I just put them in my body. I saw everybody else doing it and said, how bad could it be?
in the jungles of Enron and was the sole agent of the apocalypse. I just don't buy it.
Skilling, Lay, and the Enron board had signed off on Fastows LJN funds. They saw the benefits of letting Fastow do deals for himself. In a secret video tape that surfaced after the bankruptcy, Fastow meets and selling LJN to a group of Merrill Lynch members. He pitches them on the benefits of investing in a fund that only allows assets from Enron. Fastow knew what kind of deal he was offering to Enron's CFO. He could guarantee profits over LJN.
We have a sort of Cheshire cat grin on his face as he talks about all the ways that the fund is going to profit. And he talks about the informational advantages that he's going to have with his dual role as Enron CFO and as the head of these funds.
Oh man. Says if you have bleeding, consult your doctor. Thanks for the fear, bro. I was reading the package finally. I guess I should have wrote that before. You got to Google Marantz McDonald's. That's it. Yeah. Hold on, guys. Oh. It's like you take them, right? And it tells you eight ounces of water, whatever, but it takes 8 hours to kick in. So I took them last night. And then this morning was a problem, bro. I've probably gone to the bathroom like 3 times already since last night. I usually go once a day, basically. It's my usual. Is this conversation worthy? Oh. Oh. But if you think that's going to be happening in your body, it's not going to take an effect on you. Bro, I got headaches, bro. Oh. Hmm. Oh. I'm waiting for this video to say what I wanted to say, man. I know I heard it. Oh my God. I'm trying to breathe. No. You can only cleanse your gut through antibiotics. Go see your gastroenterologist for an endoscopy. There could be some bad bacteria. Huh. Now you want me to go see, guys? You know why I don't go see the chronological whatever peoples, the colonoscopy people, whatever. The people who work there, I know them, and I feel weird about it. Like on all the damn offices, I feel weird. What are they gonna do to me? They're gonna be like, bro, that boy was shitty. The shitty appointment. I don't know. I guess I gotta stop worrying about it. I'm just so honest. I'm like, yo, no. Nah, I didn't hear it during the naked scenes. No. I'm halfway done. This damn thing's an hour, 49 minutes. I'm already over an hour. I'm hour 43. We only have 46 minutes left. This is awesome. Oh, but I'm not doing awesome. You guys ever feel it like running through your intestinal tract? And you're just like, yo, I got the bubble guts. Yeah, they're talking to me. I thought having a 7-Up would settle down my stomach. So I had another Shirley Temple. These are good, dude. Shirley Temple, these are good. I remember the first time I ever went out with a girl, and I thought I was all like, you know, I thought I was debonair. We were in a booth. I swear to you, I was like 16 years old. We're in a booth, and she was smart though. Okay, so we're in a booth. I'm on this side, she on this side, and I think, oh, I got the smoothest move. I go sit next to her instead of sitting across from her. I'm like, yeah, what's up? I'll sit next to you. Boom. And we're eating, and we were at Islands Restaurant, Islands, in Southern California, and they just have like burgers and shit, whatever. It's our first date. And I'm like, we both ended up getting jobs at the Islands, by the way. But so we're eating at Islands, and I go, oh, I got this. And I go, yeah, you know, I'll just have a Shirley Temple. And I'm like, and she looks at me like, Shirley Temple? And yeah, instead of like a regular drink, you know, like whatever. I'm like, yeah, you know, I'm 16. I can't order alcohol. And she did me up. She goes, oh, okay. In that case, I'll have a Roy Rogers. I said, what the hell is that? I never heard of no Roy Rogers, bros. I thought I was up on it by saying Shirley Temple. Yeah. I didn't know if her thing had alcohol or not, bro. But, oh. By the way, don't go sitting next to your date. Just sit across from her, bros. Yeah, I've gotten older. I ain't got shit to prove, you know? I don't need to be rubbing nobody's leg under the table, nothing like that. Marantz, the sad part is that most people are obvious to what a great investment GameStop is, or oblivious. Is that what you wrote? When you came in last Friday afternoon, I usually ask a group of friends if they held GameStop. They all said no. That's funny. Oh, you want an endoscopy? Yeah, it's going to end me. Or a colon. Yeah, okay, I got you. I had that 2 weeks ago. I survived on Sprites for 4 days. Marantz, put on the pens and roll with it. It's my dad. Come on, man. I'm waiting for this for it to happen. I'm looking for... We're almost through the whole video. Oh, here we go. It's right here. Damn it. Oh, baby. Ooh. We're going to $1,000 a share, guys. GameStop. GameStop's going to $1,000 a share. Oh no? No? Like, imagine if you're NVIDIA 2 years ago and your market cap is like $250 billion. And all of a sudden, you're at almost $4 trillion. No? No, it's not possible? Oh. It's all bullshit. They're lying. Mm. Mm. Carl Bowman, I don't got this, bro. Oh, man. Okay, GameStop, doing great. Come on, Gamey. 1 penny in your green. 1 penny in your green, baby. 1 penny in your green. Mm. Mm. That's not good. Tesla down $16 today. Oh my God. Another guy losing billions of dollars in market cap. Look at this. Tesla went from 488 all the way down to 394. Almost $100 lost, and they got 3.5 billion. They lost 3 billion shares. 300 billion too. Tesla lost 300 billion? Wow. Oh, green. There we go. Okay. Oh man. Man. Man, I'm reading, bros. I can't. I don't know where the hell it's at. Probably already happened. I guess I'll drink water. I have the volume up for me. But bros, my legs are sore. I don't know. I couldn't run if I wanted to right now. Oh shit. Oh. Oh. Slapping my legs, bros. Trying to give them blood. Oh. Oh my God. The Terminator. California. In California. Arnold Schwarzenegger. Part of the problem. The ship is sinking. Oh, babe. Oh. Oh. Yeah, GameStop. $32.99. $32.91. Gonna go test 33 again. Let's go. Let's go, GameStop. Oh. Don't take these pills, guys. Don't take them. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. I'm gonna have to undo my pants or something, bro. I gotta get some air in here. Oh my God. Oh. Bro. Oh. I got. Yeah. I am. I'm telling you now, guys. I can feel the energy leave my body like a 12 gauge shotty. Boom, boom. Oh man. Oh. It's not a tumor. Chris Lake, don't buy them. Mm. Mm. Oh, it's wild. Wow, that hurt right there. Yawning hurts. Oh. Um, um, oh my God. Oh, something hurts. All right. I'm trying to get there. The thing is, I don't know if I skipped it, but GameStop's not $33, so I'm not leaving the stream. It's just like that. Go see a doctor. I can't be going seeing people trying to kill me, bro. I just took some pills, man. Just let me handle it. They're just weight loss pills, or like dietary pills. Like they're called cleansing. Marantz would stream in diapers if he had to. What's up, Elitas? Oh. A little explosive diarrhea, then it's all better. You getting Tony D excited by breathing into the mic like that? I'm beginning to think that it's Inside Job. Another one of those films they mentioned. No, it's here. Michael, I think we squeezed this week. We're squeezing now. Or were you not happy when we were at 28? I know we were like at 28, 29, and everybody was talking $30. Oh, man. Anybody seen that one girl, Mijo Loco girl? Major Loco, where's she at? Did they go chase some other stocks? They learned so much. Mijo Loco, if you're out there, girl, I want to know what's going on with you and your husband. Not since yesterday. Yeah, oh, miraculously, when NVIDIA was down, now going up. NVIDIA's going up. Oh, we got to go back. Oh, we got to go back. They go chase it, and now it's down today again. What's going on? Why do they drop good companies? My whole life, they drop good companies. Oh, my God, my arm. My arm just got numb. Oh, massage my arm. Hold on. Oh. Oh. Shit.
discovered that he had made more than $45 million from these hedging and commissions. Consistent with your fiduciary duties to Enron and its shareholders,
Oh.
common sense notions of corporate ethics and propriety. Mr. Chairman, on the advice of my counsel, I respectfully decline to answer the questions based on the protection afforded me under the United States Constitution.
Oh.
I thought about this, and it couldn't have just been a few executives at Enron that made this happen. If you think of the banks involved, Chase, Citibank, the billions in loans.
Oh my God.
The lawyers that represented us, there had to have been complicity across the board because it was all too easy.
Listen, I call bullshit on this app, on this TikTok. They try to sell you this stuff, right? They do testimonials, and it's always somebody. Oh, hey, I took these pills and lost some weight. Yeah. I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind. Oh, I got tears in my eyes already, guys. Oh, this is bad. Like, easy to Ozempic. What's an EKG? Michael! I don't know, Michael.
Remember, it was just a strange kind of Syrian day. We learned around 9:30 about bankruptcy, and that we were all being let go. We all felt like we were on the Titanic, and the last lifeboats had long gone, and we were just now on the sinking ship. We had 30 minutes to leave the building, and at that point, it was no longer a keen on the Titanic. It was kind of like being on the king. The torpedo would hit, and there's 20 minutes to get out. There's a lot of disbelief. Very few of the rank and file people ever dreamed that Enron was actually go bankrupt.
Wow.
I can remember one into the old building on the third floor, so I late in the afternoon evening, and it was scary. There'd be like papers blowing around, and nobody there. It was very eerie.
Mr. Stern, your opening statement was extremely compassionate to the employees, and I want to show you a tape, and I believe you have it ready to go.
Ooh, Barbara Boxer. I remember her.
Why is it that you had begun unloading your stock pretty heavily before that date, and yet led the employees to think they should keep buying stock?
Ms. Senator, I have been a major shareholder in Enron Corporation. You can take the videotape with me what you want it to be. I was a supporter of Enron Corporation.
You know what happened to those people? They lost everything.
I feel terrible about what happens to employees. Well, at times, things are really rosy for us.
Ugh.
Lots of really nice and long days and pensions. The peak, and then it started going down.
I am. I'm trying to get through my day, guys. It's 11:12. Sour hour. GameStop's currently at the price that it's at. It's at $32.97. Watching it. I'm watching this damn movie for this clip that I know happened. What I think about Trump buying Greenland. I don't care about buying anything. If it ain't GameStop, I think it's dumb. I saw Trump Jr. over there land. I pay attention to so much. And okay. What the hell? I must have missed it, guys. Okay. Somebody watched this damn movie called the Enron Smartest Man in the Room movie. And show me the part where Jim Chano says the words "mo ass" because it happens. I just wasn't paying attention long enough. Might have been my stomach going crazy right now, bros. Oh. Yeah, I don't know where it said. I'm just gonna stop that now. I know for a fact that he said it, and I know it said in there because I wrote it down somewhere in my journal. I keep track of a lot of shit. When I say I keep track of a lot of stuff, that this whole debacle at Fox Sports Desk and Joy, Her name is Joy. She's getting it on with the executives to get her job, to get her spots. That's wild. That's wild. More wild was Zion Williamson saying, "Can I get next?" That was more wild. It's terrible, to be honest with you. All right, guys, I don't care. I got to get out of here. I am not doing good. And I don't care what you guys say about me. Joyous for joy. Basically, skip breakfast. Yeah. This movie was all about the Ken Lay fraud. Yeah, Nick, pretty much. Stop eating at 8 p.m., resume the next day around 9 a.m. Something like that. I wish I had gotten into GameStop sooner. World Wide West, you are soon. You're early. You're very early. When you sleep, you are fasting. That's why you eat breakfast when you are breaking your fast. Sure. Break fast. That's what he's trying to tell you. Yeah. Do you wish you got in here sooner? I mean, how sooner did you want to get in? I'm just curious. Hi, Marantz. In Japan, they're selling more adult diapers than baby diapers. By the way, what's going on with CRVS? I don't know. Sunflower. I can't even type right now. I can't even go look at it right now because the truth is my body's weak. Hopefully I have more energy in a little bit. Maybe later on. Hey, if the stock goes crazy, guys, I'll come back. But I'm hurting. I'm hurting so bad. I love Bali. I'll see you around. That's what the shirt says. I love Bali. Oh, I feel so gross. GameStop. Can't stop, won't stop. GameStop. I'll see you around, millionaires. I'm going to keep taking these pills. This shit's crazy.